Major shoutouts and thank you to Kinky Curly Yaki for sponsoring today's video and for sending this gorgeous natural hair headband wig. Now this is their 20-inch My Coils headband wig. It's a 4A texture and it's got 4 combs in the back so that you can secure it very tightly to your natural hair. Now the bounce is beautiful, the curls are gorgeous. It's also got a Velcro at the back so you can make sure that, you know, your headband wig isn't slipping off your head. The curls are stunning. They are absolutely beautiful and we're gonna go and work this into our natural hair. Now, fresh out the pack, this is what it looks like. However, if you separate the curls, you'll start to achieve a more realistic look. I'm also going to spray some water onto this so that I can separate the curls with a little bit more ease. And I also did add some mousse to it as well too. So, you know, it's stunning. This is what natural hair looks like. If you're interested in getting your own curlfriend, I've got a discount code for 15% off in the description box for you and the rest of the curlfriend crew. I love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below.